Evening everyone. Well, this evening we're in Germany and we're at Bobzin Airfield. It's about halfway across Germany. We didn't plan to come in here, we planned to go a bit further, but we'd sort of planned over this airfield just in case we'd had enough, and we had. So we just sort of came overhead and called in, and there was a guy there and he says, yeah, no problem lads. So here we are. This is the runway. And also a nice grass strip down that side. There's actually a road running through it. That's the road. That's the road, and there's some lights either side. So if there's a plane coming in, the lights start flashing, as long as there's somebody there to switch them on, I suppose. And it warns the traffic. So we actually landed on the grass, and nice long approach, come in really low and put it down. Nice smooth grass, really good. So we pulled the two GTRs around the corner for a bit of shelter. We've got the two hotels set up, and we've already had the cookers out. Cooked up a bit of food, a couple of bottles of beer that Dave picked up earlier. I've got my cover on tonight. We might have a bit of rain in the morning. What we've got around here, we've got a toilet here. I wouldn't say it was 4-star. Probably wouldn't say it was 3-star. It's probably not even 2-star or any stars. There we go. Toilet there, sink, shower, got a hose pipe. Yeah. Now we're had a bit of a clean up in the sink. Feel a lot better for it. There you go. The plan is to head for Sweden tomorrow. I've got a long water crossing to do. About 46 mile. It's the biggest water crossing I've done. But I'm not too fussed about it. All will be good. So I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Hopefully from Sweden. See ya.